I'm Dennis Williams, the creator and founder of the app CashMap Empowering Budgeting, supplemental proprietary tools that I have created, as well as educational coaching and content, all about enabling people to make the adage, cash is king, come alive in a personalized way. Let's just take a couple of minutes just to kind of walk through what the purpose of CashMap is and the underlying principle that drives this application. To simply describe CashMap, it's really about giving users a simple low-risk strategy to use their bank's products to build wealth. And the impact is transformative. It's all about optimizing your average daily balance. This is a simple little bank tool that nobody talks about, and it's not even mentioned in the education of finance professionals. The strategy used by CashMap is an innovative debt management and comprehensive financial planning tool. It's enabling users to pay off any debt in 1/3 to 1/2 of the time without changing their spending or touching their cash reserves. It's the equivalent of refinancing debt at an interest rate of less than 1%. And the requirements are so simple. They just have to have $100 left after they pay their bills and have access to a small line of credit. And I say small, frequently it's less than $10,000. And the best part is the interest rate on that line of credit doesn't matter. The magic is in the simple steps applied to optimize your average daily balance. And what are those? Number one, holding on to your cash as long as possible, which means rescheduling when bills are paid to the end of the billing cycle of that small line of credit. And second, putting your cash to work while waiting to pay bills. So each month, based on the spending, the user inputs, they're given a unique solution. And the solution shows them exactly what to do, and in turn, when the debt will be paid off, what their interest savings will be, and their investment growth. So CashMap, in short, brings financial clarity, hope, and motivation, enabling people to have the knowledge to confidently manage their finances and actually believe that they can achieve their financial goals. It creates a win-win strategy for both consumers and financial institutions. After all, healthy consumers ensures a healthy financial institution. Imagine a financial institution actually promoting CashMap as one of their products. They will create loyal, sticky, healthy customers. I've personally seen it. I've heard consumers talk about how they will never leave an institution that gave them the path forward in achieving what's most important to them. I'd love to share more with you about the details of CashMap, and so I look forward to be able to give me a call at 360-510-6919 or email me at dennis@cashmapconsulting.com. You can visit my website at cashmapapp.com or my videos on YouTube at CashMap Consulting. Thanks so much.